Official passage number 9, speed 80. Recorded by Sarif Tahar Ahmed. Start. I am directed to state that it is an important financial principle that money indisputably payable should not, as far as possible, be left unpaid, and that money paid should under no circumstances be kept out of account a day longer than is absolutely necessary, full stop. It is important to ascertain, liquidate and record the payment of all actual obligations at the earliest possible date, full stop. It is to be borne in mind that if an inevitable payment is required to be made in the absence of funds, the error lies not too much in the payment as in the entering into the relevant liability, full stop. It is therefore, important that the incurring of liabilities should be recorded and watched in order to ensure that the budget is not exceeded, full stop, para. It has, therefore, been decided, in consultation with the Comptroller and Auditor General of Pakistan, that a liability register in the enclosed form may be introduced in the office of each drawing and disbursing officer, in which all anticipated liabilities should be entered, full stop. A similar register for the purpose of watching awaited debits and credits from various PWD divisions, is already being maintained in every public works division, full stop. The heads of offices should ensure that their budget proposal include provision of funds for liquidating all liabilities which could not be cleared within a financial year, full stop, para. The maintenance of such a register will not only help in framing accurate budget estimates and liquidation of the liabilities before the close of the year to which these pertain, but also likely to eliminate the complaint about non-adjustment of debits of various departments, which will be in a better position to keep a watch over their adjustment through such a record, and will be able to supply promptly the details of unadjusted debits, as and when required, full stop. Besides the debits awaited from departments, some liabilities are also created by drawing and disbursing officers themselves while issuing orders for supply or manufacture of stores, full stop. Such stores are generally received late, with the result that the liability is often lost sight of while formulating a budget demand, full stop. Such commission can well be obviated if the drawing and disbursing officers keep note of such liabilities in the prescribed register, full stop.